si Ibit nag bisbis sa iyang mga misitas.
Yeah, just got up. It's been rain. There's some times that it's heavy rain, and then the next day it's really hot. You know, so that's why it's easily dried up. Look at this one. Here, Nana. Look at this. It's already dried. Even this area here.
Ano Ibit uli pa ibuk na lana oh.
Namatay ko. Ano yung tama mo?
Naman naturok sa yuta.
This one here, this is the one that we get from Balikbayan box of Sir John S. So we're planting this year. And after that, we're gonna transfer.
Nanurok na daghan ang tanan nanurok oy gikaon sa timos. Ipang utlog.
So
Mo na mo
that there already, but then the animal.
Mo na mo gitungtong ni Bik-Bik. Dili unaha oy katutua. Kaya adto gani laglargo kay katutua nga matay to. Dito. Nga matay to. Wala na nag-unya na ng uban. Kaya nga matay na. Alis ako dito. Okay. Arutin out.
Yeah, this tray here, look at this. Our plan for this one is it's like there's some animal, some worm on this one. Ano na yung daghang ood na eh?
Na mahurot na bunang dahon.
This is the problem of some plants or some trees, if there are some worms that's eating it. Because our plan is just gonna make it higher, big trees, and then we're going to put some vents here to sit in. We didn't buy that one because somewhere when I bought the flowers, the plants, it's in the pot, you know, so I transfer it because it looks like a wood, a tree, so I transfer it there. So there's another one there. I tried to avoid those kind of plants like this, some flowers like this that is a lot, just because might be there's some snakes hiding on it, so I just prepared something that it's not so sipak, not producing a lot in each branches, you know, in each branch. Ooh.
Naman yung text din mo Bit.
Ha?
Yan yung text ni mo si Roger o si Bings.
Saan mo? Huwag na naiyo ka na masahan.
Oh. Mao man ang akong giingon Bit ng buwak ka Bit na sagbot. Sagbot mo din eh. Ato bang murang nagpungpong nga balili. Ang sana. Kung hapit na nako ibton, hapit na ko ibubuan. E mo din na umuwak na siya mo gag ko ano. Wala na kun ing ibik-bik og yuta. Ang dali mubas, ang uga.
In this pandemic, it's a lot planting some plants, you know. It's because it's a kind of relaxations for them, and at the same time, because people cannot go going for vacations or other places, so staying home, so that's why they are been focusing on planting, you know, which is good because it's a kind of detoxification for the stress whatever. Well, may tubig na, we're out of water.
Eh napilo tingali na oy. Pilo ng punuan.
Yes, so again, we're out of water. Have a good day. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye.